Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, the channel where we make tech tricks simple and fun. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use the Apple Notes app on your iPhone. This is going to be a straightforward and beginner-friendly guide. The Notes app is one of the simplest yet most useful apps on your iPhone. And once you get the hang of it, it can really help keep your life organized. This guide won't be overly technical or complicated, so don't worry. Whether you have never opened the Notes app before or just want to explore a few more features, I will cover everything you need to know to get started. Here's an overview of what we will cover. Step 1. Opening the Notes app. Step 2. Navigating folders. Step 3. Viewing options and sorting. Step 4. Using the search bar. Step 5. Creating a new note. Step 6. Formatting your notes. Step 7. Saving, sharing, and managing notes. Step 8. iCloud syncing. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Opening the Notes app. The first thing you will want to do is to find the Notes app on your iPhone. The icon looks like a small white notepad with a yellow header. It is usually pre-installed on all iPhones, so you don't need to download anything. Just tap to open it. Once the app is open, you will land on the main screen. If you have never used it before, this area will be mostly empty, but that is about to change as we create new notes and explore the features. Step number 2. Navigating folders. At the very top of the screen, you will see a folders icon. This feature allows you to organize your notes into different categories. When you tap on it, you'll be able to see all your folders, including the default notes folder, and even create new ones. To create a new folder, tap the folder icon, then tap the new folder button, usually located in the bottom left corner. You can name this folder anything you like, maybe work, family, school, or any category that makes sense to you. Once you have named it, tap Done and the new folder will be created. Personally, I don't really use folders and just keep all my notes in the default notes section. But if you like having things organized, folders can be a great way to separate different areas of your life or projects. Step number 3. Viewing options and sorting. Next up, let's talk about how you can view and sort your notes. On the main screen, toward the top right corner, you will see 3 dots in a circle. Tapping on these dots opens a menu where you can customize how your notes appear. Here, you can change the view mode to either a list or a gallery. Sort your notes by date created, date edited, or title. Group notes by date, which is great if you want to keep track of what you did on certain days. I usually leave everything in the default view, but feel free to adjust these settings depending on what works best for you. Step number 4. Using the search bar. Right above your list of notes, you will find a search bar. This allows you to quickly find a note without scrolling through everything manually. You can search for keywords, phrases, or even attachments like photos or checklists. This is especially helpful once you have a large number of notes saved and need to find something fast. Step number 5. Creating a new note. Now let's get to the main part, creating a new note. To do this, simply tap the new note icon, which is the square with a pencil in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap that, you'll be taken to a blank note. Here's how it works. The first line you type will automatically be set as the title of the note. For example, if you type weekly budget, it will appear bold and larger than the rest of your text. Hit return or enter and you can start typing out the rest of your note. Step number 6. Formatting your notes. The Notes app gives you several tools to make your notes more useful and organized. Above your keyboard or at the top of the screen, depending on the iOS version, you will see a row of formatting tools. Here's a breakdown of what each one does. Text styles. Change your text into a title, heading, or body text. You can also bold, italize, or underline text as needed. Checklist. Add check marks to make a to-do list. This is great for things like groceries, packing list, or task tracking. You can check items off as you go. Bullet points and numbered list. Organize your thoughts or content into bullet or numbered formats for easier reading. Tables. you need to create a mini spreadsheet or just want a more structured layout, you can add a table. Photos and attachments. Tap the camera icon to either take a new photo or attach one from your photo library. This is handy for adding visual context to your notes. Sketching tools. You can also draw directly in a note. Tap the marker icon to open up a sketchpad where you can doodle, annotate photos, or just write freehand. You can change colors and brush types, and it works especially well if you're using an Apple Pencil. Step number 7. Saving, sharing, and managing notes. One of the great things about notes is that it saves automatically. You don't have to press a save button. Just swipe up or press the home button, and your work is saved instantly. If you want to manage a note, here's what you can do. Swipe left on the note to bring up options like delete or pin. Pinning a note keeps it at the top of your list, which is great for important notes you access often. Hold down on a note to see even more options like sharing the note via messages, email, or other apps, moving it to a different folder, locking the note with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, perfect for private information like passwords or journal entries, deleting the note permanently. Step number 8. iCloud syncing. All your notes are saved in iCloud by default, as long as you are signed into your Apple ID and have iCloud enabled for notes. This means you can access your notes from any Apple device, your iPad, Mac, or even from the iCloud website. This is super helpful if you start a note on your iPhone and want to finish it later on your Mac or iPad. Just make sure you are logged in with the same Apple ID. And that's it. That is the full guide on how to use the Apple Notes app on your iPhone. As you can see, it is a pretty straightforward app, but it is packed with features that can really boost your productivity and help you stay organized. Whether you are jotting down quick thoughts, planning your week, managing a to-do list, or storing important information, the Notes app is an incredibly useful tool that is right at your fingertips. And the best part, it is totally free and already on your iPhone. If you have any questions about the Notes app or want to learn more iPhone tips, feel free to drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thank you so much for reading, and I will catch you into the next one. Bye for now.